Looking for the perfect dash cam to protect your vehicle? Whether you're concerned about safety, insurance claims, or just want peace of mind on the road, we've got you covered. Today, we're counting down the top 5 car cameras that combine cutting-edge technology with affordability. Number 5. Starting at number 5, we have this incredible dual-lens dash cam that captures both the road ahead and your vehicle's interior in stunning 1080p quality. What makes this camera stand out is its advanced infrared night vision technology, ensuring crystal-clear recordings even in complete darkness. The IPS screen provides a wide viewing angle, making it easy to review footage on the spot. With loop recording, you'll never run out of storage space as older files are automatically overwritten. The wide-angle lens captures more of the road, reducing blind spots and giving you comprehensive coverage. Whether you're driving through busy city streets or dark country roads, this camera has your back. Installation is quick and straightforward, and the compact design won't obstruct your view. For those looking for an affordable entry into quality dash cams, this is an excellent choice. Check the description and comments for the link to grab this fantastic deal. Number 4. Coming in at number 4 is this feature-packed dash cam that includes a 32GB memory card right out of the box. The dual lens system captures both front and rear in 1080p and 720p, giving you complete protection. What sets this camera apart is the WDR technology, which automatically adjusts exposure for clear footage in challenging lighting conditions. The 140-degree wide angle provides excellent coverage without distortion. Motion detection means the camera automatically starts recording when it senses movement, perfect for parking mode. Night vision ensures you're protected 24/7. The loop recording feature manages your storage efficiently, and parking monitoring gives you peace of mind when you're away. This camera combines professional-grade features with user-friendly operation, making it ideal for both new and experienced users. Don't miss this complete package. Check the description and comments for the link. Number 3. At number 3, we have this user-friendly dash cam featuring a large 3-inch display that makes viewing footage incredibly easy. The dual lens design captures both the road and your cabin simultaneously, providing comprehensive coverage. Loop recording ensures continuous recording without storage worries, automatically overwriting old files. The superior night vision capability means clear footage even in low-light conditions, perfect for night drivers or dimly lit parking areas. The wide-angle lens captures more of the road environment, helping document incidents from multiple perspectives. Installation is straightforward with included hardware, and the sleek design blends seamlessly with your interior. The intuitive menu makes adjusting settings easy. Whether commuting daily or taking road trips, this dash cam offers reliable performance and peace of mind. It's a perfect balance of functionality and affordability. Check the description and comments for the link to get yours today. Number 2. Taking the number 2 spot is this exceptional dash cam with an ultra-wide 170-degree field of view, capturing virtually everything around your vehicle. The full HD 1080p resolution ensures every detail is recorded with clarity, from license plates to road signs. What makes this camera special is its 24-hour parking monitor feature, which keeps recording even when parked with the engine off, providing protection against vandalism and hit and runs. The advanced night vision delivers clear footage in all lighting conditions. Loop recording means you'll never miss a moment as the camera continuously overwrites old footage. The compact design won't obstruct your view. While the high-quality build ensures durability, the small form factor makes it discreet yet powerful. Installation is hassle-free, and recording starts automatically when you start your vehicle. This is professional-grade security at a consumer-friendly price. Check the description and comments for the link. Number 1. Finally, claiming the number 1 position is this premium dual-lens dash camera. Recording both road and interior, this camera provides complete protection. The advanced loop recording ensures you never run out of space. Superior night vision means crystal-clear footage regardless of lighting. Motion detection automatically triggers recording when movement is sensed. The parking monitoring feature provides 24/7 surveillance. Compatible with PC and mobile devices, reviewing footage is incredibly convenient. It works flawlessly with all vehicle types. What sets this camera apart is its professional build quality, backed by thousands of customers. The wide viewing angle captures everything without distortion, and intuitive controls make operation easy. This is the ultimate dash cam for serious drivers who want the best protection available. Check the description and comments for the link to secure this top-rated camera today. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please like our videos, share them on social media, and leave your comments below. See you in the next video.